everybody. Today we're going to make yummy cinnamon buns. Start off with making 4 cups of flour, adding it in. A box of yellow cake mix. Okay, adding that in. Two and a half cups of warm water and 2 packages of yeast. I don't have packages today, so that corresponds to 1 1/8 tablespoon. And so I'm going to add that from a bigger package. 1, 2. All right, and now I'm gonna bring it over to my mixer. Okay, we're gonna mix this up. And now we're gonna slowly add another cup of flour. See, we have a nice sticky dough now. And now we're going to let this rise for about 45 minutes. So now we have let our dough rise for about 45 minutes. We're going to flour my surface. And dump out the dough. We're going to mix it up, and then we're going to separate it into 2 piles. I'm going to work with 1 pile at a time. Okay, so now we're going to roll out the dough. Roll out the dough as into a giant rectangle, pretty much. A little more, so it's a little thinner. Supposed to be about 1/4 inch thick. I have melted margarine. We're going to spread it out on here. Make sure the surfaces are covered with margarine. And then we're going to sprinkle on a mixture that I already made of cinnamon and sugar. Try to get on all the spots. And then we're going to roll it out. We are going to make a giant roll. And we are going to cut our cinnamon buns. And then we are going to spray our tin. Put our cinnamon buns in. And we are going to let these rise for another 20 minutes. Now I have all my tins. They've risen for about 20 minutes. And we're going to put them into a 400-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until they rise some more and smell delicious as they're baking. And while we do that, we're going to make the cream cheese frosting to frost the cinnamon buns. Make the cream cheese frosting. I'm using Tutti cream cheese because I want this to be pareve. You need about 8 ounces of that. So we're gonna put that in. Great. Tablespoon of milk. Again, I'm also using pareve because I want it to be pareve. A teaspoon of vanilla extract And then the recipe calls for 5.5 cups of confectionery sugar. I'm not gonna use that because that's way too much. I will add about 3 cups and see how it goes from there. And when it's done, it's smooth and creamy like this. The cinnamon buns are out of the oven now. Look how beautiful they look. And we're gonna wait for them to cool off for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna frost them with our cream cheese frosting. Now we're gonna take the cream cheese frosting and spread it out on the cinnamon buns. These cinnamon buns smell delicious, they look delicious, and they taste amazing. Enjoy them.